Hi! Welcome back, hummingbirds! How have you guys been? Hey, Kong! What do you have in your mouth, Kong? It's a paper tiger! Remember the paper tiger we did last time? So today we're gonna learn how to draw the tiger's body and put it in a picture. Let's go! So the first thing we need to do is to have a nice clean piece of paper. What else do we need? What do you have there, Kong? Color pencils and pencils. Are we ready to get going? Let's go! Do you remember how we draw the head of the tiger? So first what we need to do is to create a trapezoid. Alright, and then next we're going to do the ears on each side. Little hair sticking out. Next we have the big triangular nose. Then we have the nostrils. And we're done. We're going to pull a line up and do a curve like that. Then two little eyes. Then we do a circle around it. Right? And once we get there, we're going to do the mouth by doing a U shape, and it goes upwards like that. Followed by the little dots. And its whiskers. Did you get that? Alright, now we're going to do the legs. So here we're going to have the tiger's legs coming out. I'm going to do one leg first. Comes down from here. One straight line. And another line coming down. Alright? And just before you reach this line, you're going to do a big curve. And then a straight line that way. Because the tiger has really huge paws. Then we can do a next one over here. Comes down. And then this big huge paw. And we're going to put the lines here. Right? Okay. Once you got that, sorry, this part should go up here like that. So once you got that, we're going to do a curve all the way down here. And then we're going to have, because the tiger is crouching, we're going to do this huge curve over here like that. And then it has this huge paw underneath it. And then we can have the tail sticking out. Alright? So what we have to do next is to have the stripes. So do you remember how to do the stripes? On the side of his cheeks. Don't forget the 3 lines on top of his head. And 1 line in the center coming down like that. So now for the body, we're going to do the stripes over here. On its legs. And on its body too. We're going to put lines all along its body. So it gets smaller and shorter to the tail. And we can put stripes on its tail too. Like that. Now, don't forget you need the stripes on its hind legs as well. And the stripes will go like this. And you got your tiger. So why don't we give the tiger a friend? Let's do another tiger up here. So, start with the face, which is a trapezoid. Do the ears. The little hairs coming out of the ears. A big triangular nose. Its little nostrils. And when you have that, We're going to do a line upwards and do a curve. And then the eyes. So next we do the mouth. Put a little dots. And the whiskers coming out from the side. Go! So I'm going to do one of the legs coming out this way. Remember, he has a very big paw. And have another one, the other leg coming out from here. Okay. So this one is sitting this way facing us. This big paw underneath. Just like when we drew the cats, remember? Now he has his tail coming out from his back. And so, now we're going to add the stripes like we did the other one. Going to do the stripes on his cheeks first. Okay. The stripes on top of his head. Stripes on his legs. Stripes on his body. On the other side too. Don't forget the tail. Perfect. Let's add some color to it. I'm going to use orange for the body. Just going to quickly shade the body with a bright orange. Try to keep within the lines. Just like that. Okay, orange tigers. Now I could use the color pink. Give him a little pink nose and pink inside the ears. I'm going to use the color yellow in his eyes to make it really pop out. Ooh. They're looking really adorable right now. Okay, so now I have two tigers. Why don't we create a jungle for the tigers to live in? So I'm going to use my magic wand. So now all the grasses grew. What else can I add to the picture? I know, how about some flowers? Using my magic wand, let there be flowers! Ah, look at the pretty flowers that have magically appeared. Now let's see, what else could we include? What else can we find in the jungle? How about giant ferns? Let's draw some giant ferns coming out from the side of it. So it's going to have the stalks coming out, just like that. And it has these huge leaves. We're going to draw the veins inside the leaves. I think I'll have some ferns coming out from here too. Really big leaves. And once you got that, start coloring it. I'm gonna use a dark green to color these huge leaves. I'm gonna color on this side too. Look at our drawing. It's looking really delightful. Our two tigers just relaxing in the jungle. How does that look? Now we could fill in the colors for the skies and for the ground. So I'm gonna use my magic wand again. Let the sky be blue. Look at that. Now we have a beautiful blue sky. Now I'm gonna use my magic wand again and color the ground brown. So here's my magic wand. Ready? Oh no! Something went wrong with my spell. I turned myself. What am I? Oh no. Alright kids, I'm going to find someone to turn me back into a human being. So for now, I'm going to just, oh my goodness. I'll see you next time, okay? Bye. Bye. Help me, please. Help me.